Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Tesla different from traditional automakers. Tesla stands out from traditional automakers in three key areas: its business model, its focus on technology, and its integrated ecosystem. First, the business model. Unlike traditional car companies that rely on a network of third-party dealerships, Tesla uses a direct-to-consumer sales model. You can buy a Tesla directly from their website or from one of their company-owned stores. This eliminates the middleman, giving Tesla more control over pricing and the customer experience. This also means no haggling over prices, as all vehicles are sold at a fixed price. Second, technology. Tesla's approach is more like a tech company than a traditional manufacturer. Their vehicles are designed around software, with features and improvements delivered through over-the-air updates. This means your car can get smarter and more functional over time without ever needing to visit a service center. They also lead the way in battery technology and have a strong focus on developing advanced driver assistance systems. Finally, the integrated ecosystem. Tesla's vision goes beyond just the car. They've built their own network of high-speed supercharger stations to make long-distance travel easy for their customers. They also offer a complete suite of energy products, including solar panels and home battery storage systems, to create a holistic, sustainable energy solution for consumers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.